Hola.
It's raining. Middle the time seems to do that little someone need to key check it key chimney. Also the limited edition taxi. The limited edition ang kunzula shirt che ang kunzula khata tangge. Wow. Line. Ooh. So what's how to this? Wow. Line to the. Takon sama on the spot yung yan dam. Tanga zo gaji. The limited edition passport dela yota. Oh, ziga da. Napu. Regular di chikten da no.
Regular di.
Reda.
Anda shirt right there, shirt fee.
Limited edition ina shirt fee right da. Wow.
Yes.
Reda da.
Anda.
Yes no.
I got 99 towels for
Momo in one. Wow. Sponsor chinge a company capital che chaya da kunzu yore. Wow. Da tanda this line new ro doshra. Tanda de line new pe shirgi da ama line indi ringbu. Da tanda da. Da de line ringbu sto. Sangang khandi na nga hamas this wagi korish kentam. Wow. Line thongu da. Line. 무슨 맛이 상수로 뭐래? 이 상수로 line 치워. 알레 디나 채서 네발로 구이나 보죠. 채서 네발에 있어. 아무도 몸을 line 찍고 싶어. 아. 디스로 line 돼. 와우. Select the line continues. Ah. Okay. Amlo Momo. How to the line ring ala?
Friends, that's why I bought this.
Line ring ala. This is the line 통고 돼. Amlo Momo 하시라.
I'm gonna take some cash.
아마 line. 엔지는 모두 line 타게. Oh, the line 상마 디리시. Food truck Mongolian Momo la line dish. Di khare. Halal dumpling house. Wow. The la line shoot. kunzo shande shide da. Wow. 나钱包记下了。
这两面吧。
那完了之后，Momo在不啦？别吃Momo。
还能多的。呀，你随便吃。
别吃Momo，比Momo。操作性感。Oh hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Rachel Howard.
자, 누구래? 어저.
Matching.
Black
Momo
tag.
T-shirt.
Volunteered. SFC. 上次Momo 수시 와 가래? 엄복 저대 엄복. 니도 같이 민ner.
当时蓝大拽吧。
반대로도 나오라. 나도 봤어.
이게 인식은 싼이다 다. 이게 내가 내 라인 이렇게 자. 이게 Mama line there kuni passport tani shurish tanga zo omok
60的也去了的人
wow okay omok singe sada
来你要的
line ni sare ngara samsila tada ni to kine budish da sida oh my god nga yi ur chin da line end rumbu end to out Ama almost singe tu 다 이치데 모모 찍사야 된다 라인 엔디디 온다 맞으려나 나와 세워치라 샥샥 오 냥소다 온워크 다 그런지 모모 된다래 데미 엔디 라인 디 아래 콘서트 스테이션 치러랑 쓰가 양보천시 어이 왜 갈리겠네 와우 신기하다 신기하다 라인 링고 빼드다 진짜 라인 링 채드다 와우 아 와 sauce的行动好啦。这就他们这些的，他们好给。哦，哎，哇，给看不给进欧斯。啊，看不给进，才能没事儿。当반차 걸라 따lên ba ô line đúng rồi vậy它是零分来了对它是零分来没有珠子对它是零分来没有珠哦 line 欧斯大概多少位置line this let's go oh line đúng rồi 반차걸 line 옷 đúng rồi đó 간지 링하도 반차걸 링하도 같이나 반차걸 잠차요 라운드 와우 냥소다 아마 line 이름 거다 왜 line 이름 거다 Shala. Oh my god. Like you see, regular password you're not in the line thing there. Limited password in a shaggy line skip share. Oh. Oh, line de la stop shikta. Ring on. Can you do that? Line this. Line this. 반죽을 해줄 라인 좀 한국도 싸우는 시간까지 안에 Himalaya fresh food 말이 미 가시 너야 스스로 미 라인 맨날 양 그만 신기 약보여 말해 삼네 고소 뭔데 말이 미 가시 라인 맨날 양 시부 메시지 삼네 셰바 주다 상만 반작을다 온 먹까지 하이프들라 주다 라인 try 시나 갈 상사 고무직 마시니 dollar직 마시니 저 말에 무시심이죠 됐다 양 됐다 라인 찍듯이 마시나 파게다 제 장을이다 다 가려다 보다라 fresh food line 아들 라인 신지 시게자 라인 메사라 뒤말이 라인 사게래데 라인 신지 시게자 듯이 근데 차게라 미안 못 하시면 파걸 갱 레디를 샤래 와우 망고 침소.
Huh?
근데 딱 그저 그 월로다 상 같이 망태. 따다. 그냥 차와 여기 가듯이.
Do I just fold it or just throw it right? You can just throw it in. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
So good.
Yeah?
It was
Which
so
was your favorite
fun.
one?
Pardon?
Which was your favorite one?
따다 약간 좀 워치되어래.
No, yeah, for real.
야야야. 너. Thank you. 여기는 모슬리보다.当时里面的 classwork 就对面仓位的 list， minister 里面是要先把仓位 list。
We need 3 more people brave enough to do the competitors. 2 more, whoever comes here, whoever. First come, first up. First come, first up. Okay. Okay. Wang Mo.
Gilda.
Chuck Park. Chuck. Kawa. Alright, you guys ready? Are the rules pretty simple? Whoever eats fast is gonna be the winner. So I'll say 3, 2, 1, then go. Okay, not right now. Alright, you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Make sure you open your mouth once you're done. You Feet to back!
All right, everyone better start training for next year, huh?
We got 7 momos. Okay, can you do you mind grabbing 1 bottle for each one? Sorry. Just you want to make sure. Yes, thank you. Okay, once again, Tashi Sambo is gonna do the honors. Okay. Okay, everyone, this is the last round, so let's cheer them out. Let's go, guys. Alright, all the participants, are you guys ready? Yes. Okay. Let's go. I'll say 3, 2, 1 and go, then you guys can go, okay? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! guys. You can stay here as well, all the participants. Thank you so much for participating. So, get down, please. maybe for you.
I think our council member Julie Wan is also here. Where is Make some noise for Momo Crawl 2023! Come on!
Everyone, let's give him a round of applause, please. Let's go.
Hello everyone, my name is Chimi Lomo. I'm the campaigns director of an organization called Students for Free Tibet.
It is such an honor to be standing here with you again this year for Momo Crawl. As I look out down Diversity Plaza to see all of the prayer flags row after row after row, and especially in the rain, as
standard here across the city and state, but also across diasporas, across the country, across the world, and we have such a unique perspective and role to play in that. So I salute the organizers, I salute everyone who's coming here, and I'm so proud to stand with you, and I'll see you again next year. This is my early announcement. I will be participating next year in the, all right.
And of course, give it up to all the Momo vendors out here today. And of course, give it up to all our immigrant communities in Jackson Heights. I'm really here to celebrate all the organizers and everyone behind this event. I'm Manuel Castro. I'm the Immigrant Affairs Commissioner for the City of New York. I have a very, very special citation for Students for Free Tibet. So will the organizers come up here and join me? I am very proud to present this very special citation, not just as a commissioner for the Immigrant Affairs Office, but also as a former student activist, undocumented dreamer student activist, and as a former community organizer in this very neighborhood. So thank you so much, and give it up to the Students for Free Tibet. Immigrant-owned businesses, and they truly accompany our businesses and smallest businesses and entrepreneurs. So I want to thank you for everything that you do and for supporting this great event. Give it up for our company capital.
With a Momo designed and created in Little India. I was ripped off, but this is what it is. And representations of the Achars, Nepal, Tibet, everything. We're gonna march down to the winner, number 2. Nepali Machadar, and the #1 winner, 2nd year in a row, Omwalk. Let's go!
Give us to.
Yeah, that's the place.
gotta go home. Thank you. Ring you don't. You should find it. Do see the almost the other do see the chaga angi tangpo jare. And ring in again and do you don't. You should have some kang la chagi order. And the man la kang sab game and do between share the kurda kari in 2 years. And the message and so when in again bell the rangja party to go to the karangi. Tajan the tie you get around lobum chubu chusong. Katu in a young the mountain zuki. 제발 지니 테스트가 테스트 양보다 두송 안디 ngaran ke sembana la gawi shu chungso kale jawana shigi diutunso an ngaranski de leje ba mangu yores tere mechuni choksom yores a koran sangmegi manzo haru burup chini an de kyales ani changmana di jege amgi niwa sumba dinzola loba maru machungro chi nangbar inage yores an anzu inage yangdo dindur lage nyamshu yores ani yangdo jeda kyayos an di chala dir test 14 reusable race and next year the northern boulevard la ani manzuki saganchi yore northern boulevard 90 street la and then the cheaper race and the timing the shoe aina ta dire mimang mongu shoe to and thari shoe aina 8 to morning 8 to gongda 9 padore magi
thinking about the taste the size they really want everyone fulfill the amount not about the making profit they really want you guys to get a fresh. He has been always in the restaurant like 16 hours every time.
Oh, you get this.
Yeah.